30 Easy Ways to Use Coconut Oil for a Glowing Skin. Organic Facts. In this video, we will talk about the 30 easy ways to use coconut oil for improving skin health. If you have like 99 skin problems, coconut oil can solve almost 86 of them. See how. 1. Applying coconut oil on lips can give you smooth and soft lips, so you can have the perfect pout for your selfie. 2. You can dip a cotton ball in coconut oil and apply on your face and eyes to remove makeup. 3. To moisturize your skin, simply take some coconut oil on your palms and apply it on the skin. 4. Coconut oil can be used as a cream for treating hardened and cracked feet. 5. You can also use coconut oil in place of the expensive shaving cream to remove body hair. 6. Adding a few drops of coconut oil to your bath can help in relieving itchiness caused by psoriasis. Make sure you check with your doctor before application, as coconut oil can aggravate skin issues if you have sensitive skin. 7. Deep condition. Often contain coconut oil because it easily penetrates the strands and can even prevent protein loss. 8. Create a DIY hair mask. Soften locks with a spa-worthy hair mask. Mix 3 to 5 tablespoons of organic, refined coconut oil, massage onto hair, and cover with a shower cap. Let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes, then shampoo out. 9. Tame frizz. Coconut oil can definitely help. Rub a small bit of coconut oil between the pads of your fingers and run through. 10. Add shine. Smooth a tiny amount of organic coconut oil onto the ends of your hair to add a little shine if you have dark hair. 11. Minimize dandruff. Coconut oil can help lower the levels of yeast on the skin that drive inflammation, flaking, and itching associated with dandruff. 12. Use as a first step face washing. Because coconut oil is naturally antibacterial, antifungal, and moisturizing, many women swear by its use as a nighttime moisturizer for their face. Simply rub the oil in circular motions all over your face and neck. 13. Create a DIY face mask. Apply to a clean face, leave on for at least 15 minutes, and relax. If you prefer to look for store-bought masks containing coconut oil for your skin. 14. Remove eye makeup. Put a little on a cotton ball, and gently sweep it over your eyes, paying attention to your under eyes as well. The oil does a great job breaking down waxy, inky eye makeup, and leaves the delicate area hydrated. 15. Make a DIY lip scrub. You can easily make your own using coconut oil, brown sugar, and honey for a super moisturizing. 16. Make a DIY lip balm. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of cocoa butter, and 2 tablespoons of grated beeswax or beeswax pellets to a heat-resistant measuring cup. Pour 2 inches of water into a small pot, then add the measuring cup, so only the bottom is submerged. 17. Make a DIY lip gloss. Flaky lips, or even add a pop of color to your pout with a homemade tinted gloss made from coconut oil. To make it, simply mix bits of an old lipstick with some coconut oil. 18. Freshen your breath. Turns out, swishing coconut oil around in your mouth may actually pull disease-causing bacteria out of your mouth. 19. Highlight your cheeks. Simply sweep a small amount of organic coconut oil on top of makeup, and leave it alone. It looks like your skin. 20. Hydrate dry hands. Coconut oil can work wonders on dry, itchy skin. 21. Shave your legs. Coconut oil, on the other hand, is inexpensive, naturally antimicrobial, and smells divine. Plus, its skin-soothing properties will leave your legs looking hydrated. 22. Use in place of lotion. Coconut oil is commonly used as a hydrating oil in its raw form or as an ingredient in moisturizers. 23. Slather on as a massage oil. Massage oils have either coconut or jojoba oil as their base. Cut out the middleman and go straight to the bottle. 24. Create a luscious body scrub. It's wonderfully moisturizing, great for the skin, inexpensive, and blissfully absent of chemicals you can't pronounce. 25. Nourish dry cuticles. Massaging coconut oil into your cuticles, and the skin around your nails, can bring some much-needed moisture to an often overlooked part of the body. 26. Relieves psoriasis. Coconut oil is a safe natural remedy to try if you suffer from psoriasis, an autoimmune disease that causes skin cells to build up. 27. Treat your feet. Coconut oil may help soothe the infection and flaking skin after you apply athlete's foot treatment. 28. Soothe eczema. Coconut oil can also be used as a natural treatment option for those with eczema, a cluster of skin issues that lead to red, itchy, swollen patches of skin. One small study found that eczema patients. 29. Apply as natural lubricant during sex. Pure 100% coconut oil makes a great natural lubricant, since it's super slippery. It's very rare for people to have any type of allergic reaction to it. 30. Mend your dog's paws. If your pup loves hiking and other outdoor activities, his paws can become cracked and raw from all the stress. Rub a little coconut oil on your dog's paws. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share my video and also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more new video notification.